Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, summarizing today in and of itself was a total gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap? If you're new, well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, Thursday, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the gap up, the price made a little bit of a move upwards. Some poor souls were buying up here. And then from there, things were just all bears the remainder of the day. So yeah, individually, just looking at today, the best way to summarize that would be just a nasty, nasty gap and trap. And that's what also now brings about some very interesting levels here. So I'm going to just get rid of those lines. Those lines still pertain. They're just not relevant now. And from the presentation standpoint where I said, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the very, very important level now going forward is a level I've talked about in past videos. And that is right here at 225, that green line, which, to give full credit where credit's due, so far so good. That's a level you would want to see act as support, given that it has acted as support in the past. And then you fast forward to today, and with today's price movement, this level is indeed acting as support. So good to see that 225, so far so good, is indeed holding as support because, like I said, you definitely want to see that continue to hold going forward. In the event, though, 225 does not hold up, then the next key overarching level of support to keep an eye on at that point would be down there around the 215 mark. So going into Friday and then next week, from a support standpoint, 225 and then 215. In the event there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, the key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the famous 50-period moving average. And this had been a level of support going into today, which brings about the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And the current value of that moving average right now is at $2.39. So yeah, definitely a very rough day today with a gap and trap. So we'll see if the bulls can try to maintain above this 225 mark or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.